Alright, so today's video I'm gonna be swapping out the old head unit and putting the new Idoing head unit. So this is pretty much my old setup. This is pretty much a knockoff version of the Android head unit. It's a no-name brand. Just bought off of eBay for like 150, around there, 200 bucks. Pretty much, I mean, everything works on this one. Nothing is wrong with it. I mean, if my the only issue I had was the backup cam. So if the backup cam still works, I would have kept this. But since it's not working, that's why I bought the Idoing. There's no issue with this. They have Apple CarPlay and everything, so pretty much like any other head unit or Android head unit. Runs smooth, no issues. It just they crapped out the backup camera crap on me, so I ended up buying a new one. So they have Apple CarPlay too and all that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Just the backup camera. That's about it. But so yeah, I'm just gonna take this off and throw on the new head unit. Alright, so pretty much swapping out the HVAC, the vents to the new one. And these are just pretty much old wires I already need, just part of the old head unit. And just connect all the new ones in there. Old HVAC, throw it on the new one.
The rubber's in the outside.
Alright, so I just got the vents, or put on the vents and the HVAC. Now I just gotta connect all the wires up. Alright, subwoofer wires in. We got 2 USB ports.
I mean, you want to make sure. Look at the back.
This is the antenna.
I'm not gonna use it. Don't plug it in.
Yeah, the radio.
Actually, just plug it in and leave it tight up like this.
Yeah.
That way you don't lose the wires.
This is the SIM card, or I think it's the 4G SIM card connection.
It's just slow as shit.
By the looks of it.
Yeah, 4G.
Yeah. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm just gonna plug it in, so I won't lose the wire. Extra USB port that comes with it. Freaking! I wish I had the freaking so I can use it in the center console. I need to get the adapter for it. It doesn't have it. Huh?
We talked
To you?
It's cold, man. I don't know what we talking to you.
Well, I'm not gonna use any of this, but I'm gonna use this. This is for my amp, for my subwoofer. I gotta use that. So this is the microphone. I gotta route it inside the dash. Plug this in later. Alright, so I pretty much got everything connected. Just cleaning up the wires, zip tying the excess. And I gotta tap into my amp wire to run it to my sub. Alright, so pretty much done with the cleanup. Just gotta cut the zip ties off or excess and throw it on. Alright, so pretty much gonna install the radio in. Just gotta run the wires through. Wow, the second one goes in easy and shit. The first one was like having issues. Bullshit. Alright, so I got the USB cables run through the glove box. The connection from my amp. This one I'm confused on because it's two RCA, but there's only one sub wire. Put the positive to the positive? Do it like that? Shit, I don't even know. SR out. What the hell does that mean? Sub rear? Sub left?
SR?
Because. Go my gut. Let me say this is sub left and sub right. The mic settings. Radio connection. It should be everything. Just gotta plug it in. Alright, so pretty much got everything wired up. Just gotta plug it in now. Okay, so pretty much everything is on. Radio's on perfect, everything's good. Just gotta clean up the interior. Still running the wires for the mic. Gonna put it right here. That's where I'm gonna put the mic at. Yeah, I already fed the mic through. Just gotta clean up the wire because it's pretty crazy right now. And pretty much this is the Idoing the new head unit. This is I'm assuming this is the latest model because this is I bought it 2022, so yeah. Hopefully, well, I gotta figure out how to work the layout and all the controls, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Funny, the main reason why I got a new head unit is because of this, my backup cam. Because my old head unit, the backup cam stopped working, so glad to have it back again. But yeah, just gotta figure out the settings and we'll be good. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the install of the Idoing head unit. Right now it's in Apple CarPlay mode. It is running wireless right now. I need to figure out how to run it on USB. But so far I drove all the way to I tested it out, tried it with me and my buddy went to go to the new Fujiwara tofu boba spot or milk tea spot in El Monte. So drove there, everything worked fine. No issue with the wireless CarPlay. The only thing is there is a delay with when you change or press it. Like when you play music and let's see. When you play music, it doesn't play. There's like 1 second delay, then it plays. That's pretty much the only issue. But other than that, everything works good. hopefully you guys like the install video. Well, it's not really install video, but pretty much just me doing install on my new head unit. So hopefully you guys like the video. Stay tuned on the build. It's gonna be some other stuff I'm doing to it. Just need money right now. Need to save up. But like, comment, subscribe, and hit that follow button.